All right, the drink we're about to make is called Blue Whale. Go ahead and fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 1 ounce of blue curacao and 1 ounce of vodka. Now you have a choice here of vodka or light rum. It's up to you. And we're just doing equal parts of both those. If you want to do less or more, it's totally up to you. Now take your sour mix and just fill it up. There we go. Take your shaker and let's just mix those together. Should keep a bright blue color. And we'll set up our glass. That is a blue whale. We'll add a straw and a lemon. And that's it. Bottoms up.